Radiation is measured in 3 different ways: absorbed dose, equivalent dose, and effective dose. Absorbed dose is the concentration of energy deposited in a tissue as a result of an exposure of ionizing radiation. X-rays, unlike sunlight, can penetrate deep into the body and deposit energy in internal organs. X-rays can even pass through a person's body, which is how we actually get the X-rays that you and I both look at. The unit of measurement for absorbed dose is milligray, or mgy. Equivalent dose is the amount of energy that it takes to damage the properties of different types of radiation into account. For instance, the difference between equivalent dose and absorbed dose is absorbed dose tells us the energy deposited in a small volume of tissue. Equivalent dose addresses the impact that type of radiation has on the tissue. Effective dose is the last. It is a calculated value. It's measured in millisieverts, MSV. It takes 3 factors into account: absorbed dose of all the organs of the body, the relative harm level of the radiation, and the sensitivity of each organ in the radiation field.